been done before, but they have messed up some. I haven't been doing it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, I appreciate it.
Officer's already talking about me over there.
Yeah.
That's for $1,005.
Hello. No. Don't even take your copy. It was a blue sticker on one of those, I didn't know what it was, too much to work out. Yeah, no.
Do what?
Okay.
Oh.
It's Mullins. Lieutenant Mullins. Telling him to watch out for me. Like I'm the one that ever does anything wrong. Wow.
It's me. I ain't spoken white either. Okay, thank you, dear. Appreciate that. Sorry. Bye.
So, what would I do from here? What would I
The sergeant hell, yeah. I bet that is.
Would they go by
May I
phone?
have 2 paper clips, please, if you have? Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, blessed day. Both of them? Okay. That's it, right? All right, thank you. That's okay. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Yes. Can I pay cash? Yeah. It's all together. Yeah. Yeah.
Did you say you were ready?
No, she's in the middle of doing something. Gotta wait to be called.
Oh, okay. I saw her say something.
How can I help?
Yeah, I got some documents I need to submit to the court. Then I got some documents for the court clerk's office.
Well, that's what they do. They take the law. It's the It also depends on how much they're Are these all motions?
No, one of them's a motion. The other two are just statements to the court.
I see these two, you got two cases. Both cases?
Yeah, that info is regarding both of those cases. See the sheriff's watching me back there?
Oh, yeah, you know.
They got me running around. They got me going in circles.
Between like here and the city council. Limited stuff. I think maybe I'll call them. Oh. It's my first time.
Here?
Yeah.
Why you got more?
It was so big. They took it to the It's down here or something. Right. Okay.
Alright, involve this, involve both cases.
All right, and then I got this is so I've submitted public records requests here several times, and last time they forwarded it to the judge, and that's actually for the court clerk's office. I'm trying to get background information on all those involved in my court cases, and so that was for the court clerk's office. I'm trying to get background information on everybody involved in my court cases, like well, I mean, you guys.
We just print out what's in the file. We don't do anything with backgrounds on any individual involved on the case.
Well, I mean, you guys have the court clerk's bond, the judge's bond, the prosecutor's office's bond.
Not this office. All we do is file paperwork and take money for bonds and child support.
Well, I mean, you guys deal with all the court paperwork, though, right?
We're paperless.
Yeah, but I mean, you guys still do people still bring the documents here for the court, right?
Yep, and we scan it on, we give it back to the people. We don't hold on to anything.
Yeah, I mean, the court clerk also has the court clerk's also part of the cases that are going on too with everybody.
Yeah, but we don't give out information that involves anyone on the case.
I know, but I mean, I'm just saying that's a public record request, so I'm just going to turn that public record request in.
Onto those two cases?
Huh?
Onto those two cases?
Well, I mean, it's supposed to be for the court clerk's office, but yeah, I mean, it's regarding those two cases, yeah.
So you want them scanned onto those two cases?
Yeah, I mean, but that records request is supposed to be for the clerk's office.
We don't do requests in this office.
Could I get a stamped copy of it?
If it's getting scanned onto the case, yeah, I can do it.
Well, I mean, I guess you can do whatever you want with it, but it's supposed to be for the court clerk's office to give me the information.
Do you want these scanned onto those two cases?
I mean, you can. I mean, if that's what you want to do.
We don't do anything with the request in here at all.
I know, but you guys should have a public records, you guys should have a public records person that handles public records.
If you need records or something, you can request it through, like, that's the entire file. You can request it through the criminal records email address. They can give the whole file. And I don't pay. But as far as, like, background information on the case, we don't do it.
Yeah, I mean, you guys should have information on like the bonds and the oaths of office of the judge, the prosecutor,
And stuff like that.
any bar card information you guys should have.
This office does not do it.
All right. Well, I mean, that's a public record request, but I mean, I guess you can do with it whatever you want. I don't want to argue with you about it. But every department, every state and federal department should have a public records person who handles public records. I mean, I notice it's a big problem in Indiana as far as getting public records because nobody's giving up public records.
Like I said, if you want a record of something, I can give you the email address for it. But as far as like background on the people involved on the case, we can give you like documents that's on that case. Yeah.
So you guys wouldn't have the information if an officer's on the Brady list?
No, we wouldn't have that. That's something you might want to talk to the court about.
Well, I know for a fact that one of the officers, if he's not on the Brady list, he should be.
Yeah, we wouldn't have it. Not this office.
Window 3. Window 3.
You don't want to? That's all right. I'll look at them.
Hi, I'm trying to get this paperwork filed with the court. It's just proof of insurance and my driving record.
Do you want the email for like requesting documents in this case?
No, well, I mean, I've submitted some stuff to the judge to try to get him to give me a discovery, this form for discovery, because I mean, all the police departments are denying the background information. Then, all right, well, I got this right here. This is for the court clerk's office. This is just letting you guys know that I'm filing a lawsuit against the court clerk's office for violation of due process, having me unlawfully trespassed a couple times by the sheriff's department while I was trying to submit paperwork to the court.
210.
Do what?
You have all your paperwork?
Well, I mean, like I said, there's numerous records requests in regards to my case that have never been responded to.
That's not us. We don't do that.
Well, I mean,
This office only files paperwork and takes money.
I understand. That's why I do what I do, is because I'm trying to train everybody that everybody is supposed to handle public records. Maybe I should get in contact with the public access counselor and talk to them about public records and get an understanding about public records. Because, I mean, when you guys deny my records request, it puts you in violation of the Indiana APRA law.
Again, we don't do anything for record requests.
I know, but you guys got to. I mean, you guys, like,
This office in particular doesn't do anything.
I mean, if I wanted to know how much your salary was, your name, and if you got any disciplinary
You wouldn't
history.
get any of that information.
Yeah, I mean, it's public record. You work for the public.
My name is not public record.
Yeah.
Get that? Salary.
You work for the public.
That's fine, but you wouldn't get any of that information. And
Yeah.
no one has to give you that.
I know. I mean, I've submitted in a public record request or do a verbal request for it. And you'd have to honor it or you'd be in violation of it. All right, I guess that right. Can I get a copy of that?
Well, what do you want me to do with it?
Let's just inform you guys that I'm submitting a lawsuit against the court clerk's office.
Okay, you're fine. Sorry.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Uh,
Filing this?
I don't know if you give it to your attorney or if you give it to, I don't know. I don't know who you give it to.
Okay. But you want a copy of it?
Yeah, can I get a copy of it? Appreciate it. I appreciate you being courteous.
Well,
I mean, if you would, just look into the public records law and get an understanding, because every department should be providing public records to the public.
well, every department's different.
Well, I mean, any state or federal agency has to provide public records. It's the law. I appreciate you.
Yeah, yeah.
Excuse me.
So that wasn't good because they have the battle of the lizard.
I'm trying to list one for somebody that is on somebody else's case. They have one in contact with me, and I was trying to list one.
How you doing? Is there any way to get somebody from Internal Affairs down here?
Do you know how to do that? I don't even think I have a number on them.
I've got some officer complaint forms I'm trying to submit.
So, well, you can give them to us, they come and pick them up on a daily basis.
Well, yeah, I mean, I'd kind of like to talk to him because, there's like a couple captains involved, a couple lieutenants, sergeants, and, several deputies involved.
Yeah, I don't have a number.
Like these two following me in here, you know, harassing me when I've done nothing wrong.
So have you got your IA forms that I gave you the last time you were
Yeah,
here?
I've got them right here.
There's like 12 of them?
Well, I mean, I didn't fill them all out. I just filled out a few. But you're probably about right. There probably is, in total, it'll probably be about 12 of them.
Thank you.
I can help you right here, ma'am.
Thank you.
You welcome. Write your name, write your phone number right there for me.
Sorry, I got a bunch
Hey,
of
they asked any
documents.
questions, did you want a copy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. Court clerk's office.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, I tried to call the internal affairs office, but nobody ever answered the phone.
I'm not really sure what their hours are, and I know they just can't sit in their office all the time. They've got things they have to inspect and tend to, but they come down here every day and pick this stuff up, so they'll get it. Is there any more?
Yeah, I got these two. You might want to submit those to your attorney. Those are notice of lawsuits that I'm filing on the sheriff's department for civil rights violations and criminal actions that the sheriff's department has committed against me.
Okay, is this all of them?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. We will get them to them.
All right.
Mingus.
Mullins, did you say anything to the captain about him threatening, wanting to try to fight me out there in the parking lot? Did you tell him that was a bad idea or no?
I don't think the captain's trying to fight you in the parking lot.
Oh, he did make a statement to fighting, did he not?
Not that I remember him saying.
Well, I mean, I've got it on camera. So you don't recall me stopping because he said he wanted to fight?
I recall you stopping and doing a lot of things and causing a lot of problems. Yeah, I recall that.
Causing a problem? What problems did I cause?
Being disorderly, belligerent, cussing, yelling.
No. I was threatened in that court clerk's office. The guy threatened to beat my ass. You guys did nothing. I didn't threaten anybody
at that time, so
Well, I've got that on video too.
that's fine.
I'm going to be suing you guys personally too, just so you know.
Be a pleasure, sir.
I'm going to sue the sheriff's department, then I'm going to have your qualified immunity stripped and sue you personally.
She's been a real judge for a while.
A real judge.
maybe it's always here. Huge enough. MPD.
Slow down.
Alright, sorry. Fire truck. The lights in the front.
Really?